Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Bobby Skipping Crafts. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own art book. So first to start, you have to get into AppLab, you have to get into code.org and go into AppLab, and then once you're in AppLab, you have to be elder than 12 to get into AppLab. So after that, you have to go into design, and then here you have to make so we have to make our own art book. So you have to make bunch of screens. You have to click this new screen, and then for each screen you have to put a photo. Like you drag this image, and then you have to click on choose. You can upload the file, download, or give the image URL, or put any icons. So I already put a BMW logo because I like cars, and then you go back into codes. Of course, you have to put buttons. Go to the next page and then you click on the button, and then you have to click on text, and then you'll put the button. And then on the second screen, you have to. I just put it like a normal button. So once you click on the button, you have to put a back and a next on the other screen, on screen 2, and then you have to do it like that. So once you're in code, you have to put an on event that's on the top right here. It's on the top, the on event, and then you have to set the screen to screen 2. Once you've done that, you will go to screen 2 and you can switch to screen 1. So you have to run and then click next, and then you'll go to the next page. Voila, your very own art book. So this is how you make your very own art book. Please subscribe, like, and share. Bye bye. See you in my next video.